Hello dear students, welcome to the online education of class 7 science. So dear students, yesterday I have started the lesson weather, climate and adaptations of animals to the climate. So in the previous class I explained to you about the situations where we discuss about the weather's conditions, and later on I explained the definition of weather and the department which predicts or which guess and find out the exact weather report, that is called meteorological department from the government of India. Okay, so dear students, let us go for in one of the weather report which is given as a model in the textbook in today's class. Okay, so here already I explained you before only. So meteorological department from government of India, so that will give the reports. It collects the data on temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind speed. Such data is collected by them and it makes the prediction of this weather, and it gives the some data to the various mass media. So dear students, let's go for the next activity here, 7.1 here. So here it's quite simple. Here you have to collect some weather reports of the last week by cutting those reports from the newspapers of the last week. Suppose if you do not have any newspapers, you can collect it from your friends, those newspaper cuttings, or else you get the copy or a xerox from your friends and just paste it on your notebook, or else you can also collect it from the library, right? So now you record this all observation that you have done, or record all the information that you have collected from the newspapers. Okay, so you just record it on one of the paper. Okay, so look at the one of the example which is given already. It's a recording, okay, which is given of some particular days. It is recorded data information. It is given here. Look at the information that is given in the columns. Okay, so fill all these columns according to the data in the chart which is given in the chart, so that you have already prepared. Look at that concept here. So it is a table 7.1 here. So it's a weather data of a week. So one complete week, what is the weather condition? It is given here. So first column, it is given date 23/8/2006, 24/8/2006, 25/8/2006, like that. So dates are given, and two columns are given for each parameter. See, temperature, maximum temperature in degree Celsius, minimum temperature in degree Celsius on particular date, suppose 23/6/2008. So what is the maximum temperature? 36.2 degrees Celsius. What is the minimum temperature? 27.8 degrees Celsius, like that. Minimum humidity, what is the percentage of humidity minimum? Yes. What is the maximum humidity percentage? That's given. And finally, what is the amount of rainfall recorded? How many? It is in millimeters. So that should be filled up here by you. So but here one thing you should keep it in mind. So temperature and humidity, you can record it every day of the year, but rainfall cannot be recorded all the days, since it may rain only for a few days. It will not rain every day, right? So it will rain for few days, few months. So since you can not record here every day. So now, what is rainfall? So rainfall is the amount of rain which falls on the ground. So rainfall is recorded by an instrument called what? Rain gauge. Okay, so it is basically measuring cylinder with a funnel on the top to collect the water. So on that rain gauge, there is one measuring cylinder is there, so with a funnel in it, so that will collect some water for the measurement. Okay, so dear students, now so you must understand. So do all the 7 days in a week have the same temperature and humidity? Is it possible to have a same temperature, maximum and minimum temperature? So is it possible to have the same wind speed or a humidity? It's not possible. So over a week of time, so the change in the considerable variation in the temperature and humidity takes place. So what is exactly the definition of weather? So simple here. So the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place. The day-to-day condition of atmosphere at a place, okay, with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, okay, and wind speed, etc. It is called the weather at the place. So this is called as what? Weather at the place. So what are the factors of weather? So that is temperature, humidity, as well as one more is rainfall and wind speed. Okay, that is the one. So now these are the elements of weather. So now again see the weather at one particular place changes after day, week after week. So that's why we say that today's weather is too humid or too temperature, like that it is recorded here. Yes. So dear students, one more thing, the weather is such a complex phenomena that it can it can vary over a short period of time. It's very complex phenomenon. It can vary within a very short period of time. So if suppose it can happens in such a way, like how sometimes it may be sunny in the morning, but within no time it will be fully heavy rain will takes place. Suddenly the clouds appear from some direction, so heavy rain takes place. So sometimes a heavy rain may takes place. So later on, after few minutes, after a matter of minutes, finally it will give a bright sunlight from the sun. So such experiences we had already had before, right? You might also experience that one. So this is how you cannot predict the weather condition, maybe temperature, humidity, rainfall, etc. So since weather is such a complex phenomena, it is not easy to predict. Dear students, I hope so you might have understood the concept of this weather report, which is given as a model. You can do it even in your home. So but here you need to have some measurements here. So here you can collect it from the newspaper reports, and you can fill it up here. So I hope you have understood the concept and elements of weather and how it will be decided. Dear students, let me continue with the next concept in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.